Don't miss Animal Crossing New Horizons 2025 Fireworks Festival. Hey Islanders, it's officially August in Animal Crossing. You know what that means. Fireworks Festival is almost here. August means fireworks every Sunday night in Animal Crossing New Horizons. The first show is this Sunday, August 3rd. Only 2 days to prep your island. Plus marker calendar for all the other nights. Each show runs from 7 p.m. until midnight. Don't forget to invite your friends to watch the fireworks together. Set up a cute viewing spot, lay out picnic rugs, lanterns, and snacks. Here's my viewing area. Are you decorating your own fireworks spot? Tag me, I'd love to see it. Like and follow for more Animal Crossing New Horizons inspo, and don't miss the fireworks.